It started now.
Yeah, it started now. So, hi Shilpa, how are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thanks for asking. These days, due to weather, no temperature is so high, so I'm not recording. Yeah, after a long time, I'm recording this session. So yeah, and it is nice to like having session with you. And how are you feeling these days? How are your days going on?
My days are going well. I'm spending my summer holidays, but it's going to end soon, so I will go back to my home. And I was taking a lot of session because I was getting free time over here, so I enjoyed all my sessions.
Yeah, good to hear that. Like, coming parents home, it's a blessing. That time you feel you just connected with your root, meeting with your siblings, having conversation with your cousins, meeting with your old friends. That is a great thing. Like sometimes
Yes,
going to your hometown, it is a kind of like getting the energy back. You are charging your battery.
yes, I always come here every year, and I meet to my relatives, I meet to my friends, all friends, so it feels good.
Yeah. Okay. How like whenever you at your home, your own home. That time, how do you spend your weekends? Like spending too much time, like sleeping, you're doing other works. So what's your ways of spending your weekends?
Um, Weekends, actually, I don't sleep too much. Um, in the evening time, I go for walk, evening walk, because we have greenery all around. I am living in a village, so there are very beautiful views over here. So I go to temple, or I go around the fields,
Mhm.
with my daughter. So I do these kind of activities on weekends.
So which deity you worship? Which is your like your deity, na, like God whom you worship most? Like we are Jain. We worship Mahavir, Parashnath, Adinath. So which is your God?
We worship all the gods like Shiv, Vishnu. We worship all the goddesses, uh, you know. And there is also a family goddess. In every
Kuldevi.
village, we have a family
Okay.
goddess. We also worship them. We have worship all the gods. We can say, we worship people, tree, and all these things we do.
Yeah, in India, na, we worship tree also. Like there is a particular day that time we go and worship tree. Yeah, it is a good thing. Like nature is giving us too many things. So it is kind of a good. They are providing so many things. Like earth also. So yeah, we Indians, we Hindu people na, worship these things, which are giving so many things to us. Yeah. If God appears in front of you and ask three wishes. So what three wishes would you like to ask to God?
Okay, so the first thing which I would like to ask to, I would like to that I want good health, because I
Mm.
feel that health is very important. If you have a lot of money, but if you don't have good health, then it's worthless.
Yeah.
So the first, health. And yes, I will wish to God that um, my children, my family, I want good for them. Of course, money is also important, because without money, there is nothing in today's life. So money is also important, and the last thing is satisfaction.
Mm.
Some people have a lot of things, but still they are not satisfied. Still they are not happy with your life, with their life. So I would ask for these things.
Yeah, same here. I also feel like that. Health is a wealth. If you are healthy, so you can do anything. Otherwise, if you're having a more money but you are not healthy, what is the benefit of having that money? If you are lying on bed and you are not able to eat anything, you are not able to use anything. So yeah, we should ask the good health, and like there is, we can ask for our family also. They also having a good health. If everyone is good, so we feel happy automatically. If something is going wrong in our family, so we don't feel happy. So yeah, and yeah, peace is also needed. If we are mentally satisfied, so we can enjoy life. Otherwise, it is not possible. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Once
and
I yeah, you can, yeah. Sorry to interrupt
yeah,
you.
I was saying that nowadays people are suffering from anxiety and stress
Yeah,
issues, and I don't know, as the technology is going advanced, people are getting more these things. They are getting stress and anxiety. So I think we should also connect with nature, because
yeah.
nature will, you will feel good when you go to nature and connect with nature. So it's very important.
I completely agree with you. Like by using technology more, we are losing connection with nature. Whenever we go near to nature, now we feel different kind of a pleasure. Like our eyes also feel relaxed, our body also feel relaxed, our mind also feel relaxed. So yeah, so sometime we should go near to nature and try to avoid using gadget that time. Enjoy fully nature. Yeah, these days, like maybe technology made our life easier, making our life easier, but we are getting much time due to that. And that time we start overthinking. We don't know how to use that time. Some people they are using like we are just learning these things. We are using our time in a productive way. But some people just spend their time watching reels, like entertain, and after that they feel regret also, feel anxiety. So yeah, so indulge yourself in any productive activity. And yeah, these things
Yes,
are
yes, you are right.
yeah. So how often you go near? Like you were saying, yeah, when you are in village, that time you go to park. You were saying, na, you go to park daily. Yeah, it is a good way. Going to nature and work on your fitness. I also love whenever I get time going to park. But in my town, there are too much monkeys. It is very hard to go outside because there is a they bite us. No? So it is very that time we go for an injection. Right? So that is why we avoid going in the morning time. And we can't go on roof also. Monkeys are all around. Yeah. It is very risky going out here.
Okay, okay, okay.
And you see, na, whenever we go pilgrim also, there are too much monkeys also over there. Na? Have you ever seen monkeys, any pilgrim? Like, yeah. Have you visited like any pilgrim? There monkeys too much.
Yes, I have seen, because when we go to temple, so I have seen monkeys at every
Mm.
temple, and even in Himachal there are also very monkeys. They
Mm.
wander around here on the.
Yeah, that is. So, like, have you done your breakfast?
Yes, I had my breakfast, and now I will prepare lunch at 12. So
Okay.
I get free time from 10 to 12. So I utilize this time for conversations, and
Mm.
after 3 to 5 I will be available again for
Oh,
conversation.
so how many
Yes.
siblings do you have?
I'm the eldest one, and I have one younger brother and one younger sister. My younger sister is married, but my younger brother is doing job, and we are searching girl from him.
Mhm.
So
Okay. So your sister is also living in the same town, Himachal, or in a different town?
she is also in the Punjab.
Okay. I'm also like we are four, including me. I'm the eldest one. After me, my younger brother, and after that, two sisters. All are married. All are settled in different. Like my youngest one is staying in Mumbai, and my brother and my sister is staying in Saharanpur, which is my hometown. Like I
Oh,
belong. Like after marriage, also I'm in UP, but different city. It is a very small town. It comes into Bagpat district. It is very close to Delhi, but Saharanpur is very close to Uttarakhand. Yeah, so we can say, yeah, there is the nature very close. When I was child, I used to go Dehradun, Haridwar, Rishikesh along with my parents. My brother studied there, so it was very common for us going there and enjoying the nature. Yeah.
okay, okay. I have never visited Dehradun, Uttarakhand, but we are planning to visit that place soon. Last
Okay.
year I went to Jaipur with my husband. So first we were planning to go Nainital, but the train was not available. So we thought that we should go to Jaipur because it was also a different place, and I have never visited this kind of place before. So we went there.
Yeah, I visited like so many places, but I never visited Himachal Pradesh, like Nainital, Shimla. I never get a chance. I visited
Oh,
Jammu. Yeah, like due to like that time I visiting. Vaishno Devi. I went there that time along. Like we stayed in Jammu also, Amritsar. Yeah, these places I have visited. And before marriage, I went to from Delhi to Kanyakumari along with my uncle. He was the manager of SBI Bank. So he used to get the allowance every 3 years. So he used to take his family every 3 years, all India tour. So once my mother said to him, he like take my daughter also along with you. So he took me also, and that time I visited whole month. It was I think June, July, and we started our journey from Delhi until Kanyakumari. We visited by bus, and we used to stay by like any guest house. It was all done by the bank. Yeah, this kind of facility was good. That time I visited Mumbai, Goa, and like Gujarat, Kanyakumari, and Tamil Nadu. So many places I visited that time. I enjoyed a lot with my cousins. Yeah,
So you
it was a
have
visit.
visited places in one trip.
Yeah, it's a 35 years back. It's a long time
Oh,
back. Yeah, because now I'm
yes.
40, around 48, so it is a 35 years back. That time I was 12 years old. Yeah, and that time it was things were different. Going by bus, it was not issue. We were not like these days. We can't stay without AC. But that time it was not like yeah.
You have kids. How many kids do you have?
Yeah, I have two boys. Both are grown up. Elder one just completed his education and doing business, and younger one is going admission in NCA.
Okay, so now I think you are free from your responsibilities because
Yeah.
my daughter is 7 years old. So how do you feel when you got free from the responsibility of your kids because they have grown up
Yeah.
now? How do you feel?
These days I'm feeling different. This phase is different. Like yeah. So this time I sometimes I we feel how to use, but nowadays I'm indulged with this activity. So I'm sometimes I feel I'm running off time. Like the when you indulge yourself in any activity, so you don't feel you are alone. You don't like you are like feeling completely devastated. So maybe 3 years back I started, so I don't feel like that. I'm always busy. Yeah.
You are doing great that you are utilizing your time
So I
to
always say, na, females should like work on any hobby, whatever they love to do. In that way, we they can use and they can feel happy. Yeah.
yes. Because I heard from many women like you whose kids have grown
Yeah.
up. So sometimes they say that now they feel very empty because they have nothing to do. Because earlier they were busy with their kids because they were
Mhm.
going to school and they have to take care. But now we are feeling empty. What we have to do now?
But
So
I
I
think
heard,
nowadays people are indulging with social media. Whenever we get time, we start watching reels, watching movie. Yeah, in that way, na, like earlier people didn't have that much like source of entertainment. But now we having, and we can learn so many things by sitting at home. Yesterday I was talking one lady on audio call. Na, she was saying the same thing. She was like my age. She was saying also she having two daughters. So one daughter moved to abroad for higher education. Second was like doing graduation. She was also saying, due to this language, I'm always busy. I don't feel like, and I having so many friends for talking. Like I always indulge talking with someone. My daughter says, like indulge yourself in different. So yeah, that is the good thing. These days, na, we having a platform where we can go and we can learn. We can like indulge ourselves in different activities. Yeah.
yes, yes,
Okay, now we should, I think, wind up. Like, yeah.
yes, yes.
But yeah, it was
Okay,
very nice conversation. We had a different kind of conversation today. Yeah. But
yes, I
I always enjoy talking with you. You are a very good speaker and it makes me happy. Yeah.
same here. You are also fluent and you are improving day by day. So I think when we do more speaking practice, it will show in our speaking that
Yeah.
you are in practice.
I always prefer na, speaking as much like speaking come by speaking. If you don't speak as much, you read, write, listen, don't work. So we should try
Yes,
to because already we know so many words, phrases. I think we never try to use that thing. So we should try to use already we know, yeah, rather than learning new things. So I always try to speak as much as I can. Yeah. Okay.
okay. So
Bye for now. Yeah. We will connect again. Yeah.
okay, Thank you.